Alrighty guys, happy National Ceiling Fan Day, part 2. This is the final National Ceiling Fan Day at this house. Because we're gonna be moving around Thanksgiving. Well, Canadian Thanksgiving. I live in Canada, so yeah. I have no idea when Thanksgiving is in anyone who doesn't live in Canada. We do not have the Roo anymore, but we're all packed up, ready to move for around Thanksgiving. The Roo is instead going in the master bedroom because it's kind of small for that big of a room. The living room is really big. So we're putting a Hampton Bay Fanale in there. But it hasn't arrived yet. So yeah. Here's the twister. This is coming with me. I'm putting it in my collection. This is also going in my collection, this unknown, it's like this 17-inch industrial. We have the Westinghouse over here. And yeah, let's move on. Okay, here's the last time you'll ever see this fan. We've got a new light bulb in there, as you can see. It's the Zephyr. Yeah, you could tell. You could see there's this loop chain, I guess. We do this for the fan and for the light as well. Over here we have the Fenmore still. Yeah, this one's still running pretty good. It's just been pretty buzzy. And last but not least, in here, we have the Maria.
Look at different designs another day. I'm more concerned with that drywall.
So yeah. This pole chain has an issue. And I'm low on battery. So yeah, thank you guys for watching.
That I don't